Look at this.
Put contact to Donna tomorrow instead.
Look at that thunder.
They couldn't get cover for that.
Well, loads of thunder.
And it was only then this morning that I heard that
Where
they
that?
managed to get
Where is it?
cover. But the
I didn't see
times
it.
changed from 11 to 3. You see. So I think
What the hell was that thunder?
they were struggling to get the first one first, if you know what I mean, and then to
Yep.
do it. So
Look
I
at it.
reckon they must be short on the ground at the moment because of the holidays. So yeah. So I don't because I kept saying what's happening, but I say I don't know anymore yet. Down there. I'll put
That's some serious thunder.
watching this storm clouds come in.
Look at that. Probably can't see anything. Can you see nothing?
View of all the sky and everything, and the storm clouds are like racing in. There's lightning and all sorts of stuff coming.
Oh, look at that! Did you see that? That's giant.
Right, I'll put Alice back on. Alice, your dad.
Whoa, that is like proper.
Just like it.
Wow!
And you wouldn't think that from England, would you? No, it's normally in like Canada and that, you get all that. Whoa, shit! See that? Whoa, okay. You wouldn't expect that from England, would you? Normally happens in like Canada or something. Fuck.
Alice just left all the rock ones. Where are you going,
Oh,
Alice?
pitch my nigga, man, nigga.
No, come in.
I'm just gonna wait for it.
Darling, it's late at night to be at the front.
Damn, nigga.
So come on, look.
Oh, I can't see anything on this camera. You can see it when it like comes down.
Look.
Yep, do you see that?
Hang on, Dad. I'll show Granddad. Now, Dad, look. Dad.
You wouldn't expect that from England.
All the storm clouds come. Dad, this way.
Look at that.
Look. Look at the sky.
Look at the
storm
bush.
clouds. And then you'll see the lightning in a minute. Look. You see the lightning?
Ah!
You see the lightning?
That is so much lightning. Can't really see it, but you know.
Yeah.
Damn! Damn, nigga, what the hell?
They said we got storms coming in, didn't they?
Whoa, my god! That is some big thunder, Ali.
I know. I've got it in my hand.
Whoa, whoa!
You finished on the phone?
Yeah.
Can I have the phone back, please?
Yeah, here.
Where did it go?
Oh my god, it's huge, that one.
No, you wouldn't expect this from England, would you?
No.
England doesn't
How
have...
long have you been recording that for?
3 minutes.
minutes.
Ah!
Whoa.
Yeah, listen.
Damn.
Can I tell my mum?
Damn, dude.